Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to reboot your Samsung phone. So before starting this video, please do not forget to like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. So you have to press this button for long. So did you see here restart? So you have to press this restart. So restart your phone. So you have to wait it. So I have restarted the phone. So it is done now. You have to wait it. So it is starting now. You have to wait it. So it is done now. So friends, if you like this video, please do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.